What's up everyone, this is Chitranka and I hope you all are doing absolutely great and you're taking care of yourselves and your family and you are safe and secure at your homes and not roaming around. So, as you read by the title of today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 100 plus video ideas that you can use to create reels on your Instagram, explode your brand or page or profile or whatever you want to do. Because as you know, Instagram updated this new feature called Reels and it's been a year now. I guess there is nobody left on the social media platforms who is not using Reels. Reels are a way to gain more followers because Instagram is pushing that a lot. So if you're interested in all of that, to know all the content ideas and not run out of ideas to post on Instagram Reels, on watching till the end. So after giving a lot of thought to this and researching a lot and watching tons of reels, I came up with these 100 plus video ideas. Also, don't worry, I've put all of my energy in coming up with these video ideas. So even if you're camera shy and you don't want to show your face in front of the camera or act or whatever, you can still use these ideas. I hope this works for you. As you can see, I've written all the video ideas here on my diary. Let's begin. First is get to know me tag, where you share everything about yourself so that a new audience know what to expect from your page. Second is apps I use to edit my videos. Third is apps I use to edit my photos. If you're a creator, you use tons of apps to edit your photos or videos. You can share that with your audience so that they get an insight, and if they want to start creating content also, they can take inspiration from you as well. Fourth is share a recipe, any recipe you have tried or anything you have invented in lockdown, because in lockdown everyone's a chef. So if you want to share any recipe, you can record yourself while making that and share with your audience. Movie recommendations, any movies you have watched over a period of time. And sixth is favorite Netflix shows or web series, favorite Netflix movies you could watch, top 5 shows or movies, dance tutorial, clothing haul, night routine, and then morning routine, what I eat in a day. Or you can share a lockdown edition as well, what's on my phone. You can record yourself while using your phone and the apps that you use. Share Instagram story edits or ideas. Being a content creator, you have to amp up the edits with your stories as well. This or that tag, current reads, any favorite books that you've been reading or you're currently reading and you're liking it and you want to recommend it to your audience, so you can do that as well. Favorite authors, to a bookshelf, to dash merchandise haul. If you're a fan of any fandom like Harry Potter fan, if you're a Potterhead, you can showcase all your Harry Potter collection as well. Set up a room or a cozy nook, desk setup, paint or draw or sketch, like record yourself while painting something or drawing something or sketching something. Recreate dash outfits, recipes of various types of coffee, any funny challenges that's trending. If you love dancing, then you can record yourself dancing on your favorite songs, on trending songs, anything that you like. Guess the dash song challenge. Suggest Instagram GIF or stickers or filters that you have discovered and you want your audience to use that as well. Next is share your top things on your bucket list, dash haul, any brand, who authors I would like to meet. You can share your current playlist, Instagram growth tips or hacks. These videos work really well because everyone out there is creating content and they want to blow up their Instagram page or profile, and so reel hacks as well, motivational quote of the week or month. Next, you can do funny skits like problems of a photographer using good music and acting in a funny way so that the audience can relate as well. Makeup tips or skincare tips, how to dash, like how to style your wardrobe or how to style yourself. You know the drill. Details of your page or your brand, because the audience is seeing perfect Instagram photos, so you can go behind the scenes to show them how you are creating those. Next is how you plan your content, expectations versus reality of dash, editing before and after, dash app suggestions, ebook reading app, showcase dash collection, showcase your book collection. If you're a good photographer, you have tons and tons of props collection. Share your favorite podcast, introduce your team. If you're a brand, there might be different people working on different areas to grow up your brand, so you can introduce your team, tease content. Like if you're a YouTuber or if you have a podcast channel, or if you are a creator and you provide IGTV video series, you can provide a teaser on reels about that YouTube video or the IGTV video series. Anything, just give a teaser so that the audience will know beforehand. Do life hacks, and then you can do a prank with your mom, your dad, your friend, anybody. Show your pet its habits and how you spend time with them. You can share bloopers as well. It's kind of funny and people love to watch them. Dash hacks like cooking, makeup, outfit, any hacks that you tried and it worked well for you. Enhance the FOMO, like try something new and motivate your audience to try something new as well. And hit the slow-mo videos are really trending. Then you can do DIY dash. Is OOTD. Of course, in lockdown nobody is going out, everyone's at home. If you want to dress up yourself, favorite Instagrammers, share your process, like You can do a time-lapse video while you're setting up your desk or you're setting up your room. Okay, so we have finished 2 pages and 2 more pages to go. And you can do packing orders. Like if you're a brand, you can record yourself while packing those orders so that the audience will relate to it. Your journey so far, like you can slide show your photos. These type of reels are really trending, so whatever works for you. Unboxing videos, 3 reasons why dash, 3 reasons why you should use this app, 3 reasons why you should follow this Instagram page. Next is that feeling when dash, like that feeling when brands ghost you. Do a cover of any trending songs or any favorite song of yours, or FAQs. If you're a photographer or a creator or a blogger, people have different questions for you on a daily basis, so you can answer those questions. Do a transformation or a makeover. Like transformation or makeover videos are so satisfying to watch. Celebrate your community videos. Do a digital illustration or storytelling type of video. Those videos are really eye-catching and people love to watch them. Next is photography hacks, travel videos. I know in this lockdown no one is traveling, but we can hope. Like create a listicle, like 10 things I want to do on my birthday. The dash check, like friends check, office check with your best friend. Myths and mythbusters, can share views or opinions on any trending news, any trending articles, solutions and help. Next is 3 dash mistakes, 5 tools to create dash, 5 tools to create YouTube thumbnails, 5 tools to create reels, slideshows of videos or photos. Share new updates about anything, new updates on Instagram, new updates on reels, new updates on YouTube. Next is transition videos, is editing hack, hop onto trend dash mistakes, phone video hacks or tips. Next is unique secret tip, 10 things to dash, lunch ideas, breakfast ideas, dinner ideas. Next is how I journal. You can record yourself while planning your journal or ideas or your daily tracker habits, anything of that sort. What's in my dash, what's in my backpack, what's in my purse, what's in my bag. Trying different dash, trying different TikTok hairstyles. Introduce your friends or family, anybody. Do a get ready with me, do outfits I wore for a week. Just testing hacks or recipes. How I dash, like how I use these apps for Instagram growth, how I use reels for Instagram growth. Dash outfit ideas, Bali outfit ideas, Christmas outfit ideas, thrift store suggestions, reaction videos. You can react to any movie scene, you can react to any trending topic. Dash tag your friends, tag your best friend, tag your Visco tips suggestions. So if you're a pro in Visco, then you can share your tips or suggestions, Chrome or Snapseed or any editing app and the related hacks to it. Homegrown brands that you love. Dash wishlist, your Christmas wishlist, your birthday wishlist. You can do screen recordings as well on affordable dash, affordable makeup items under ₹200, making memes on any trending topic that's going on around the world. And lastly, you can do a video on makeup tutorials. So that's about 100 plus video ideas, to be exact 109, that you can use for your Instagram reels and to use them to blow up your Instagram page, because these days everyone wants to grow, right? Everyone wants to create good content and stand out. And let me know in the comments below if you have been trying any of these ideas or if you're about to try these ideas, and I hope that you got to know something from this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and share with your friends so that they could also use these videos to create reels. Lastly, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell so that you get notified on every upcoming video on my channel that goes live every Wednesday and Sundays. So and I'll see you soon. Bye.